Hi friends, I wanted us to play a little math game together. So I have all of these raindrops here, and on each raindrop has a different number. I want us to put our magnet raindrops on each of these and see if we can count to that number. See if you can help me. What number is this? 2. Let's see if we can count to 2. Ready? 1, 2. Nice counting. That one was easy. Let's try another one. What number is this? 7. Ooh, this is a big number. Let's see if we can count all the way to 7. Help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good counting. Let's try another one. Let's see what number we've got next. What number is this? 5. Let's count to 5. Help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that one was easy too. Let's try a different one. Oh, here's another easy one. What number is this? 3. This one will be quick. 1, 2, 3. Oh, now I've got a pretty tricky one. See if you know what number this is. 10. Oh my goodness, do you think we can count all the way to number 10? I hope so. Let's try. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it. Phew, I was worried they weren't all gonna fit on there. My goodness. All right, friends, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.